engineers. Automatic repair
Ready lang talaga to, friend?
Yeah, ready lang.
Ikaw mag-video?
Baka mahulog mo, ha?
Right, pilot.
Baka mahulog mo,
Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Move on the stick to fly up. And push forward to fly down.
Oh my God, friend!
Only one down.
Oh my gosh!
You told me not to put in those extra seats.
Oh my
Buttons are on
gosh!
light. Left pilot. Hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxial. Right pilot. Make the jump to light speed.
Oh my gosh!
Oh my gosh.
Baby, pinang mo lang. Baby, pinang mo.
There's the train. Come on, Papa. Those heavy ties are protecting the train. Take them out. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that train. Gunners, fire the hole.
Grabe naman to.
Pilot brakes.
Oh my gosh!
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power up the ship. Well, I have the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friend. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium.
Oh my God!
Line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last
May mga
car.
ano kamay, may
Get
ano lang.
behind the train. Pilots into the center. Do you see those big white rings? Would you fly through them?
Hindi naman ako
Gunners,
nag-roaring ka.
fire the harpoon.
Nag-work to. Oh.
Nakaharap sa camera.
Well, it's harder than it looks.
Oh, automatic siya.
Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous. Things are getting too hot. Let's get out of here. Yes, a distraction. Fire the missiles in the train. Hurry!
Oh my God!
The Star Destroyer is collapsing. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Boost, boost, boost. Look. We did
Oh
not
my gosh!
die.
Pupunta na naman tayo sa langit!
Let's get out of here.
Ulit na. Wow!
Yes, Chewie will pilot us in remote. You retrieve one container of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is... Oh, that is rough.
Tapos na yun, friend?
I think so.
R5, damage report. Engine failure, all right. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple hull ruptures, well, it could be worse. Lights off failure, okay, that's something. I'm just going to cut you off there. It might be faster if you listen to parts that are not damaged. You know, the